we think about the deepest places on Earth, our minds usually turn to the oceans. We think of the Mariana Trench, vast underwater canyons, and dark regions of the deep sea where sunlight never reaches. What many people don't realize, however, is that beneath the surface of certain lakes lie worlds of almost unimaginable depth. These lakes are far more than giant bodies of water. They are geological time capsules whose histories stretch back millions of years. They preserve unique ecosystems, ancient secrets, and even clues about what our planet's future may look like. Today, we're exploring the 5 deepest lakes on Earth. Our journey begins in the remote wilderness of Patagonia and ends in Siberia, at a lake that is not only the deepest freshwater lake on Earth, but may one day become an entirely new ocean. 5. O'Higgins San Martin Lake, Patagonia's hidden giant. At the southern tip of South America lies Patagonia, a region famous for its enormous glaciers, dramatic mountains, and vast untouched wilderness. Here, along the border between Chile and Argentina, lies O'Higgins San Martin Lake. At first glance, the lake looks almost unreal. Its waters glow with a striking turquoise color, surrounded by towering mountains and ancient glaciers. This remarkable color comes from fine glacial sediments suspended in the water, creating one of the most beautiful lake landscapes on Earth. Beneath that beautiful surface, however, lies something even more impressive. The lake reaches a maximum depth of approximately 836 meters, making it one of the deepest lakes in the world. Thanks to its remote location, much of the surrounding region remains largely untouched by modern development. Many travelers consider it one of the most breathtaking natural landscapes in South America, yet few realize they are looking at one of the deepest freshwater basins on the planet. As impressive as O'Higgins San Martin is, the next lake is even more mysterious. 4. Lake Vostok, a world hidden beneath the ice. Of all the lakes on Earth, Lake Vostok may be the most unusual. The reason is simple. Nobody can see it. No one can stand on its shore, sail across its surface, or even observe its waters directly, because the entire lake lies buried beneath nearly 4 kilometers of Antarctic ice. Scientists only discovered its existence through radar technology during the late 20th century. Its maximum depth is estimated to be around 1,000 meters. Yet its true importance goes far beyond its depth. Lake Vostok may have been completely isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years. Because of this, researchers believe its waters may contain microorganisms that evolved entirely within this sealed environment. The lake has also attracted the attention of astrobiologists. If life can survive beneath kilometers of Antarctic ice, similar forms of life might exist beneath the frozen surfaces of Jupiter's moon, Europa, or Saturn's moon, Enceladus. In other words, one of the deepest lakes on Earth may help answer one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone in the universe? 3. The Caspian Sea, the lake that looks like an ocean. Standing on the shores of the Caspian Sea, it is difficult to believe that you are looking at a lake. The horizon stretches endlessly into the distance, and storms can generate waves that resemble those of a true ocean. Yet despite its name, the Caspian Sea is actually a lake. In fact, it is the largest lake on Earth. Its maximum depth reaches approximately 1,025 meters, making it the third deepest lake in the world. For thousands of years, the Caspian has served as a vital link between Europe and Asia. Kingdoms, trading cities, and entire civilizations developed along its shores, benefiting from its strategic location and abundant resources. Today, the region is particularly famous for its enormous oil and natural gas reserves. Despite centuries of exploration, however, many of its deepest regions remain difficult to study and relatively unexplored. As vast as the Caspian Sea may be, it still cannot match the extraordinary depths of the final two lakes on our list. 2. Lake Tanganyika, a time capsule in the heart of Africa. Located in Central Africa, Lake Tanganyika is one of the oldest lakes on Earth. Scientists estimate that it formed more than 10 million years ago, long before modern humans appeared on the planet. Its maximum depth reaches approximately 1,470 meters, making it the second deepest lake in the world. As depth increases, the conditions within the lake change dramatically. The upper layers support an incredible diversity of life, but deeper down, oxygen becomes increasingly scarce. Eventually, the deepest waters become almost completely isolated from the surface. As a result, some of these deep layers have remained largely unchanged for centuries. For this reason, researchers often describe Tanganyika as a natural time capsule, preserving environmental conditions from Earth's distant past. Its long isolation has also allowed unique species to evolve over millions of years. Many of the fish found in Lake Tanganyika live nowhere else on Earth. Looking across its calm surface, it is difficult to imagine the immense world hidden nearly 1.5 kilometers below. And yet, one lake is even deeper. 1. Lake Baikal, the deepest freshwater lake on Earth. Deep within Siberia lies a lake that many scientists consider one of the greatest natural wonders on the planet. Lake Baikal reaches a staggering maximum depth of 1,642 meters, making it the deepest freshwater lake on Earth. It contains roughly 20% of all the unfrozen freshwater on the planet, more water than all of North America's Great Lakes combined. The lake is approximately 25 million years old, making it one of the oldest major lakes in the world. Over that immense span of time, an extraordinary collection of plants and animals evolved in isolation. One of the most famous is the Baikal seal, the world's only freshwater seal species. Lake Baikal is such an extraordinary place that it already has its own dedicated video here on Earth in perspective, where its history, wildlife, and geology are explored in much greater detail. Yet perhaps the most fascinating thing about Baikal is not its depth. The real story lies beneath the lake itself. Baikal sits within an active continental rift, where the Earth's crust is slowly pulling apart. This is the same geological process that has created entire oceans elsewhere on our planet. Many geologists believe that millions of years from now, Baikal may no longer be a lake at all. If the rifting continues, a completely new ocean basin could eventually form here. When we look at Lake Baikal today, we may actually be witnessing the earliest chapter in the birth of a future ocean. The deepest lakes on Earth are far more than giant bodies of water. They are geological archives, natural laboratories, and windows into both the distant past and the far future. Although scientists have studied them for decades, countless mysteries still remain, hidden within their depths, waiting to be discovered. And perhaps that is exactly what makes them so fascinating. Thank you for watching Earth in Perspective, and let us know in the comments, which of these incredible lakes did you find the most fascinating?